The afternoon working on the OT just above Bass. And cruise 1, 4, and 3 up the hill. We're just about finishing up here in the next hour and a half or so. We've all come together, we've been spread out. Here's the sound of working on a trail. If you haven't been out to do an event with the OTA, working on the OT, you should come out. Believe it or not, we actually have fun when we're out here digging. Jay Han with the OTA, signing off.